Warehouse next door, we've got a massive freezer, a massive chill, and our utility costs were increasing from 50,000 a year to 180,000. So at that point, we've got to make some serious decisions about how we reduce energy consumption. We were going to have a massive jump in the cost of the kilowatt hours that we were using. So we had to either reduce the number of kilowatt hours or find an alternative means of generating electricity of our own. Ten years ago, we installed a small solar development on the roof. Nobody paid a great deal of attention to it because it was simply there. What brought the whole thing into focus was the number of kilowatt hours that we were using on a weekly basis. The system that we've installed on the roof is a 100 kilowatt system. The overall cost of the system was somewhere just north of £100,000. The savings are £44,000 per annum, making the payback for the system something like 2.5 years. If you can't reduce the amount of kilowatt hours that you're using in your business, then you need to install a solar panel system on your roof. It's not a question of if you should do it, it's a question of when you should do it.